What about marketing strategy? So marketing is very important. And I appreciate the fact that you have partnerships with photography companies where you make sure that your agents have professional marketing strategy for every property. Do you insist? Do you, again, coach your agents? Do you offer different programs? What's your view on marketing? I've been in marketing all my life, so for me, it's very important.
Absolutely. I couldn't agree with you more. As we've evolved and getting into COVID, many real estate companies and realtors discovered the need and the importance of online presentation when listing a property or listing yourself and branding yourself. It is of the utmost importance. So something that has become more and more prevalent now is the high quality photography, the drone photography, the 3D Matterport tours. You have to make the customer feel like they are sitting within the home from their home now and really immerse them in. If you think during COVID and the pandemic that we went through, people weren't showing homes in many parts of this country. In Florida, we were very beneficial. We were deemed essential and able to go out and show homes after just a few weeks, thank you to our PAC dollars and our elected officials. But many parts of the country didn't have that for a very long time. And agents were kind of relished to stay at their home and try and sell another home from not in that home while someone else couldn't walk in the home. So Matterports, 3Ds, drones, even the VR headsets became big selling tools that were absolute necessities and requirements. But oops, we spoiled the consumer. Now they expect this. This has become the baseline where you must have high quality imagery, high resolution photography. You must be able to present not only a property, but yourself and your business and your value proposition to someone on the other side of the world through the click of a button. So it's companies like Matterport. It's photographers that you trust that come out and present you in the proper light that have become probably the most important piece of an agent's individual business.